soca parties are going to happen now. Ready?
Can you catch us?
Yeah, ready? You can catch everybody one time?
So go weird on yourself. Weird on yourself.
No man, no beg, no woman, no dance.
No dance.
Them are going to stay way down there, so But, you know, outside is cancelled, guys, for now. But that doesn't mean fashion has to be. We've invited the repeat offender, Kristia Franklin, to show us how we can keep fashion alive during this crisis. Good morning, darling.
Good morning.
So I see lots of things happening on your Instagram page, right?
Yes, I'm keeping myself occupied as much as possible.
Oh, wow. And at the base of all of this is reusing and reusing your clothes to make different.
Yes, so with all this free time now, we do have some time that we can actually finally go into our wardrobe and see what we have. See what needs to be thrown away, see what can't fit us anymore, see what it's time to repeat. Yeah, it makes and then plus, when all of this is done, you know, money kind of tight, and we got to go to all of those events and still look good. So it's all about using those same pieces and finding new ways of wearing it and switching it up a bit.
So you've been switching it up a bit at home, and you've been leaving from your living room to the
to the fridge.
So you changed
to the fridge, to the yard, to do some gardening.
She puts on a different outfit for every room at the house. So if she go to the bathroom, she change her clothes.
So you from the living room, so all right, you have one setting for the living room, and then what kind of outfit you wear in the living room as opposed to the kitchen?
That's going to be disgusting. Well, you know, I'm going to wear this to my living room when I leave here.
Okay.
Right.
And then when I'm going to the fridge now, I'll probably put on some pants over it, you know?
Well, not that dress. When you go, you better take off that and put in a wash. But as far as we know, you can show us how to use this dress in so many different ways.
In so many different ways.
Video that you actually did with this one dress.
One dress, 4 ways, and then this is the fifth way.
Yeah. All right, let's take a look.
Before them go to the video, though, I want to understand. So when you go to your veranda now, like, what you dress? Like, if you have this
pressure before, man.
I mean, you are the expert when it comes to fashion.
Yes.
So if I want to move from my bedroom to my veranda, I'm going to go to my living room.
Me can tell you what to do. Me can tell you what to do.
You
put on slippers.
Slippers? No, man. Because more in a go-in clothes.
Yes.
Go-in outside. More look good. So do I have to change from the bedroom to the living room, then the veranda, or just one outfit?
No, I mean, if you're just walking through, you can just
pass through.
Yeah, you just a pass through.
What's your favorite? What's your favorite part of your house to visit?
My favorite part of my house is my garden. Right now.
Yeah, you get to garden a lot?
My mom gardens and I keep her company.
Oh.
That's as much outside as you're going to get
for
now.
Outside, so and I really appreciate it. I've never loved my garden this much, honestly.
Wow.
Yeah, I think we have the video ready to show the 4 different ways to wear this one dress.
Yes.
And then this is another one.
So pretty much you're saying that if we have 3 pieces of clothes when Corona is up, we can still go out and look
make it
fashionable.
Work. Make it work. That was one dress. You see how many different looks we got with that one dress?
Yeah.
Plus this one.
What advice would you give to your fellow fashionistas in this time when they can't go out to show off their clothes?
Just make as much as content as possible. I mean, and try to engage your followers as much as possible. Try to show them different ways to be stylish. Try and figure out different ways to be stylish. I mean, when I thought of this dress, I never thought of sticking it in a pants or wearing it with a belt. You just get creative and find new ways to go about it. And it's fun. I mean, there's nothing else to do. So I'm enjoying it.
That makes sense. It makes a lot of sense.
And keep yourself happy.
And men, you know, if you find any little thing that you can show us, I think we may come up with something.
I was wondering how Dwayne don't do the Don't Rush Me challenge yet because yes, I see the men and they are like doing it. I'm like, Dwayne should be in one of these. No, all right, done.
You know.
Don't do it by your own time.
What are you most looking forward to at the end of all of this?
To start up my business. So my business is on pause right now. So I'm focusing on my personal brand. So I just can't wait to be over. I mean, my suppliers are closed. Everything is closed. So I'm just waiting until it's over to get back out there and to sell again.
What's the first thing you're going to do when you get outside?
Outside.
Go for food. Go for food with my friends. I really, really miss eating out.
Yeah.
Like, I love my belly and I miss eating my belly.
You know why he laughing? There's a video on social media about how we're going to eat when this is all over. And trust me, that is us. Trust me. So we know how you feel, darling. Don't worry about it. But thank you for stopping by, my darling.
Thank you for having me.
I'd love to see how you could style the shirt and the pants.
But you know, that's a good challenge, though.
What's that?
What you just did. One outfit.
Yeah, I challenge you all.
That's a good TikTok challenge.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, got challenge. Oh, yeah,
I challenge you.
No, I'm sure.
No, please don't. Let's move on. Thank you, Kristia. Thank you so much, guys. Oh, my goodness. Keep your fashion streak alive during this crisis. Kristia, she is always here for us. Tia Clothes Girl will rise again at the end of Corona. We are going to go for a little break, but we will
all rise again.
Keep your hands still, sir.
Well, we can style this another way.
Me would have like, no, what you gonna do that? Tuck it in?
Yeah.
One piece tuck? What them call it, a Russian tuck or something like that? Tuck in.